How to fix Microsoft Office error 30088-26 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. End Office related processes. Lingering Office tasks might block the update. Shutting them down clears the slate. If that didn't work, outdated system files can misalign with Office, so make sure your Windows are updated. Fix 3. Run Office as administrator. Running Office as administrator can address permission issues that could have been involved. A clogged update cache might complicate the process, so clearing it necessitates a fresh download. If that didn't work, Fix 6. Restart Windows Installer Service. A stalled installer service can clash with Office updates, and restarting it refreshes its functionality. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.